Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Kingsley Watu-Seek. Today I will explain about graph theory and their application. Have you ever wondered how such a vast world is actually connected? It's not just a coincidence. There is a hidden mathematical structure governing everything, from travel routes to the way we make friends. Let's get started. Graph theory is a branch of mathematics that studies graph structures, which are sets of points, vertices or nodes, connected by lines, edges, to represent discrete relationships between objects. Simply put, this theory is used to model real-world networks such as road maps, electrical circuits, and social media connections, allowing them to be analyzed logically and mathematically to identify specific patterns, such as finding the shortest path or the center of information distribution. In the context of graph theory, a vertex, plural, vertices, or node is a fundamental entity representing individual objects such as coordinate points, people, or computer devices, while an edge is the line that connects two vertices to indicate a relationship or interaction between them. A simple analogy can be found in a railway network map, where the stations act as vertices and the tracks connecting the stations act as edges. This image illustrates the application of graph theory in the global transportation system, where the location marker icons across various continents act as vertices, nodes, and the dashed lines traveled by airplanes act as edges. Through this visual representation, we can understand how flight networks form a massive graph connecting disparate locations, allowing navigation algorithms to efficiently calculate travel routes between different countries. On a larger scale, social media is a prime example of a massive, ever-evolving graph. Here, every user profile acts as a vertex, while every interaction such as friend, follow, or like represents an edge connecting them. This structure allows platforms to analyze our connection networks, enabling them to provide relevant content recommendations or suggest new friends based on the relationship patterns formed within the graph. Furthermore, graph theory is the core foundation of modern artificial intelligence and search engines. In Google's search system, the internet is viewed as a massive graph where web pages are vertices and the hyperlinks connecting them are edges. By using graph algorithms, search engines can calculate the importance of information, much like artificial neural networks that process signals through millions of connections to help computers learn and make decisions just like a human brain. Ultimately, every connection we see, from global transportation routes and social networks to artificial intelligence, is just a small part of graph theory's massive role in the modern world. Through simple structures of vertices and edges, we can map even the most complex systems to find efficiency and solutions. Graph theory is not just a mathematical concept on paper. It is the invisible framework that unifies all the data and information on our planet into a single, organized whole.